class, we started off with the basic economic problem. And what is this basic economic problem? It is the problem of scarcity. And when you talk about scarcity, it is relating to limited resources in relation to unlimited wants. And what are these resources that I'm referring to the idea? These resources can be classified mainly into 4 categories. You have got land, that is all natural resources. Capital, that is all man-made resources for the purpose of production and exchange. And then you have gotten the labor, that is all manpower, again for the purpose of production and exchange. And the last one is enterprise. Just because these resources are limited and have got multiple uses, they lead us to the problem of choices. And these problems of choices are sorted through rational decision making. What is rational decision making? In the simplest word, it is the cost-benefit analysis. With this rational decision making, we solve or rather resolve the problems of choices. What are these problems of choices? What to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Now, this can be again taken up further. The question relating to what to produce is, again, what do we produce? Do we produce consumer goods, capital goods, or do we produce public goods? Now, often in exams, you do get a question on public goods. What are these public goods? Public goods are the goods that have essentially got 3 qualities. They are free rider, meaning they are available for free to all. That means they are non-excludable. They are non-excludable. And the third is they are also non-rivalrous, which means they are available to all equally. So the easiest way of remembering the idea of public goods is they are for free, available to all equally. So they are these goods. If you think of the radio channels, free radio channels, or the free on air TV channels, they are all public goods. Security cameras or community policing, they are all free goods. And they are public goods because they are available to all equally. So similarly, how to produce pertains to the question of process, as in which resource do we use more? Do we make it more of labor intensive, or do we make more of capital intensive use of resources, or do we have more of land, or which resource do we use more? For whom to produce pertains to the simple problem of, do we produce it for the rich, as in terms of the luxury goods, or do we produce the necessities? So again, this relates to the theory of pricing. What to produce, how to produce relates to the theory of production, and for whom to produce relates to the theory of distribution. After you make the problems, the problems of choices are faced, you make a decision, as we said, based on your cost and benefit analysis, that is the marginal cost and benefit actually, and thus the solution is arrived at. But the fact remains again and again that each time you go through a problem of choice, you make a decision, and when you make a decision, you land up giving up something. So when you give up, that is called in economics opportunity cost. That is what you have given up, the next best alternative foregone, the next best choice that you give up. Simplest way of remembering the idea of opportunity cost is the opportunity lost. So what you lose in the process of picking up, so naturally, and this is something that you do every single day, the moment you get up from the bed, should I sleep, should I not? You are having a choice and you make a decision, I'm getting up. So when you got up, you gave up on your sleep. Another one important aspect, to explain this opportunity cost, you do it through the production possibility curve. What is production possibility curve? It shows the maximum possible output that one could produce with the given resources, technology at a given time. And that's the point I will finish it off as of now.